Hello everyone, welcome to another YouTube growth tutorial where I'm going to show you how to make beautiful realistic images and generate videos with it. Let's get started.
The first thing we are going to do is to go to ChatGPT to get our image, and if you don't have ChatGPT, please go to your Google Play or your Apple Play Store and download the app. It is very simple depending on the device type that you are using. Once you are done, just open the app and then tell ChatGPT the kind of image that you want, which is your prompt. Input in your prompt. You want to make sure that you are giving ChatGPT every single details that it needs to enable you get a very good image the exact way that you want it. When it comes to getting the exact image in your head, it all boils down to how best you can explain every details that you want for your image to ChatGPT, because of course it is AI and every little mistake can lead to error in the results that it is going to give you. So here I'm just going to describe exactly how I want my image to look like, right? It's a 3D pixel animation image. It's a female in caramel skin color. It has full curly hair, or it should have full curly hair, makeup on, wearing a clean fitted suit, sitting in a beautiful office. Like a lot of details, right? Pay a lot of details to your prompt when you are giving it to ChatGPT, so that every single thing is going to come out the way you want it to come out. So go ahead and input your prompt. Like I said, be very, very specific with the details. Tell ChatGPT exactly how you want it to be, or how you want the image to be, the background type that you want. If you want some fittings around, if you want some art around, or some wall art around the space, the kind of space you want, if it's a living room, the bedroom, or outside a building, anything at all, just make sure that you input it in your prompt. Like, make sure you have a very appropriate description, right? Once you are done with that, you want to go ahead and click on the arrow that is facing up, which is send. Now also, if you have a picture, right, like a look-alike picture of what you want ChatGPT to create for you, you can actually go to the other side, which is like the left hand side of this chart, and you can see where it says, or where it's having the image of pictures right there. You can click on it to open the image and then send the image that you want ChatGPT to recreate for you. Once you are done, just click on send, which is the arrow facing up, and it's going to take ChatGPT a while to create the image for you, or recreate the image if you are using an image. Now this is what ChatGPT gave me from the prompt that I imputed, right? Now this is a very beautiful image. You want to go ahead and save it, and then the next thing we are going to go to, or the next thing we are going to do now, is to go to Google Chrome. But I'm going to be using my Google Chrome. Now go to Google Chrome and type in Digin. Now once you do that, this is an AI app that will help you to convert your image to a video, right? Now you want to go ahead and click on create, and then you want to go ahead and sign up. That is if you are not yet signed up on the app, right? Because of course they will not allow you use the app if you are not signed, or if you have not created an account, right? So you want to go ahead and click on create, and then go ahead and click on the left hand side where it shows you image, creating the account, because of course when you click on that image setting, is going to take you to creating the account. I'm done creating my account. I'm going to click on the picture that I want to use, which is the picture we just generated from ChatGPT. Allow it to load, and then once it's done loading, it's going to take us to the app with the picture, right? See how beautiful the picture is. Now you can go ahead and add the prompt that you want. This is where another magic happens. Like, unlike ChatGPT, you want to also make sure that you insert exactly what you want the image to say to you. So here I'm just going to type in what I want this image to say to me, right? And then I am going to click on OK, or the send button, or the generate button rather. Now I don't really like this particular app because you have to pay to actually get a lot of things done, right? So if you are using the free version, which is what I am using, you may not be able to get around a lot of things, but I am going to be showing you another app that is actually very, very good. Without you paying, you are going to get a lot of things to actually play with, or a lot of tools to actually play with, and a lot of flexibility when it comes to creating videos from your images. So you want to stay tuned, because that is the one that I actually really love. So I'm going to continue sending in my prompt. So once I am done, I'm going to click on, so you can adjust this image by going on top of this and clicking the 4:3 that you can see there, which is the current measurement of this image. You can also go ahead and click it to make sure, or change it to the YouTube size, because of course YouTube is 16:9 ratio, right? So that it will display very well. Once you are done, go ahead and click on crop, and then go ahead and click on generate. Once you are done, remember, you just input your prompt and then you change the size, and then the next thing you want to click on generate and allow it to do its magic. Once it's done, it is going to just play or let you see what you have created. Now let's wait a little bit and allow it generate. Now this is what we have here. I'm going to play it for you to see, so you can see that this image is talking, moving hands and all of that. Now, like I said, I don't really like how this video came out, because it's just 5 seconds and it really did not give me a lot of things to play with, right? I still want more from this, so I'm going to take you to another app where you can be able to do more. We'll go to Google Chrome and click on and type in dream face, and then click on search. Click on the first account that you can see there. Just click on it. It's going to take you straight into another app, which is the second app I am talking about. You want to go ahead and click on create. It's going to ask you to sign up, just like the first one that we did. You need to sign up if you are not yet signed up to the app. Then click on the plus sign and then click on the image that you would want. Like I said, it's going to tell you to sign up. So once you click on that plus sign, it's going to take you to a place where you are going to sign up. Here is telling you the image, or how the image should be, right? And once you are done with signing up, it's going to bring you back to the plus sign and then take you to your gallery. Choose the image that you prefer to use, which is the image that we created from ChatGPT. I'm going to allow that to load, and then I'm going to go ahead with the next step. Now, like I said, this is the image that I created from ChatGPT, and remember that you can actually do whatever you want to do with this image in order for you to get the best from ChatGPT. So once I'm done uploading the image here, I'm going to click in the text prompt, what I want this image to say, and then I'm going to go ahead and type it. Again, you want to be very conscious of what you are typing here, because whatever you type here is what the AI is going to say or make the image say for you, right? So here I'm just going to say, hello everyone, welcome to another YouTube growth tip or channel or whatever tutorial. I'm going to teach you how to actually make your images talk, and all of that. I'm just going to put it here because basically this is something that you are going to see first before you are going to continue watching the video. So it is exactly what I used to create the video that you saw in the beginning before watching this tutorial. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill in every single thing that I want this image to talk about. Now, like I said, unlike the first app, this app actually gave me more space to create or to put in a lot of words, right? You can see it's up to 500 words, but unlike the other app, it is not even up to, because it is a free version. Once you are done, click on translate and then go ahead and click on advanced. The advanced is going to take you to the voice type, right? You want to choose the type of voice that you want your image to sound like, and when it comes to AI with the YouTube policy, you want to make sure that you are choosing a very natural voice. Once you are done, click on generate and allow the app to do its thing or to do its magic. If you've been gaining value so far, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more, because on this channel I teach you how to grow here on YouTube, monetize and make good money. Now this video is done generating, and this is what we have at the end of the day. Don't forget to download it.
I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you learned something today, please let me know in the comments section. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful YouTube growth tips. Please like and share. Until next time, bye.